So I discovered this smoothie recipe and I've decided to try it. It's like for lean muscles, but I'm not doing muscles or whatever. I just want a flat tummy, don't we all? And then also I want energy, so I'm exercising just so I could get enough energy. And then get a flat tummy. Then I'm gonna put the oats in it. I love oats. This is like my go-to meal. Like this for breakfast because it gives me energy and it helps me with milks. We need milks. Nana needs milks. So yeah. The recipe that I saw had plain yogurt, but I don't have plain yogurt, so I'm gonna use the one that I have today. It's fruit cocktail, so I'm using that instead. It's going to be sweet, but preferably plain yogurt because it's like the healthiest apparently, with some excuse me, with some whatever free bacteria, what something, I don't know. Anywho, I'm doing it my way, and I decided to use soya milk because why not? It has some vitamin whatever in there, B6, B yada yada. It will be wise for you to measure, but I'm not measuring anything. I'm just putting it as I go, like. And then my favorite fruit, I don't know if it's a fruit or whatever, it's not that ripe. Why, baby? Why are you doing this to me? Anyway, it's not ripe, y'all. It's not at all. This is the hardest I've ever seen it in my entire existence. This is not right. I don't think it's going to work. I've ruined it already. What's gonna happen to it? It's not gonna, it doesn't open, Lord. Aww. But the other one is gonna be the same. Why? Why? I was saying no, ma'am. No. This is probably a sign that I should stay away from it. But am I going to listen to the other? I don't think so. Oh God, no. It's not. It's not gonna do the thing. I've never seen it like this. This is like raw. Okay, that's not gonna work. We're gonna skip the avo, but you have to put the avo in there. Whatever, man. Anywho, that hurt. It hurt my feelings. It spoiled my smoothie. I hope this big boy doesn't wake up. Mama. I don't even know how it works. On. Oh, there we go. On. And then I have to turn it to some what? Grind smoothie. Oh, there are things. What's gauging? Smoothie. Oh, there. So how do I start? On. It's gonna switch it off. How do I start? I think on. It's working. Hopefully it doesn't wake up. Unfortunately, it woke up Nana, so okay, yeah, we need to stop. We need to go. So unfortunately, the machine woke up Nana, so I'm warming her food, and also try the smoothie. I got this smoothie container here. It's actually I really like it. It helps, like, I wanna hold it all the time. So if it helps me drink a lot of liquids. The only thing missing is it's avocado, but it looks good. It looks good. It looks good. We're gonna try it. So depending on how much of energy and protein, ooh, it actually fit the whole cup. That's good. The energy, depending on what's your target and everything. Ooh, we can't put it there. Oh yeah, we can. Okay, we're not gonna do that then. Mama, I gotta go. It's okay. Tasting. It's really good. I think I'm gonna get used to it. It's added to the list. Okay guys, enjoy. Or should I say enjoy? You should try it out. It's worth trying, yeah? Alright, toodles. Thank you for watching.